Founded in Dongguan, China, Bichu is a rapid manufacturer, specialized in rapid prototyping and volume manufacturing for plastic and metal parts. We offer outstanding global services, covering from independent inventors or designers to large-scale industrial, commercial, LED lighting, medical, automotive, and even aerospace companies. With team of experienced engineers and machinists, we custom our manufacturing services to suit your specific product design needs, part quantity from 1 to 100,000. We use advanced equipmeni to offer you a variety of prototyping and small batch manufacturing services, including CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, laser cutting, rapid tooling, vacuum casting, and 3D printing, volume manufacturing services, including die casting, stamping and plastic injection, etc. We offer interactive support one-to-one and perform your design for manufacturing review within hours. Once the order confirmed, we will qualify every aspect of your project in advance to enable shortest lead time and highest quality. Bichu Prototype Company can provide one-stop post-finishing solutions. With the top-grade handicraft skills, make product perfect assembled. Get a feel for how designs coming together. Our technicians can create super clear surface with optical quality without any sanding marks and scratches, and offer wide range of high-grade surface finishing services to enable your product stand out. We operate a system of quality management, which is approved and certified to ISO 9001 standards. This reflects our commitment to continuous quality, improvement, and customer satisfaction. Our quality engineer team own professional technology to inspect and ensure your projects meet stringent quality specification. We ship more than 20,000 metal and plastic parts each month with DHL, UPS, FedEx air freight services, global delivery within a few days. As always, we provide dedicated engineering support to really help that development process before production takes place. Want quality parts in your hands within days? Upload the CAD model right now at becu-com. It all starts with you. Our goal is to make your ideas come to life one layer at a time. Bichu Rapid Prototyping, the custom solution company.